I welcome you all for the video lecture on Java. The topic today we are going to discuss is multithreading. Java provides built in support for multi-threaded programming. A multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently. Each part of such a program is called a thread, and each thread defines a separate path of execution. Thus, multithreading is a specialized form of multitasking. In a thread based multitasking environment, the thread is the smallest unit of dispatchable code. This means that a single program can perform two or more tasks simultaneously. Multitasking, executing multiple tasks or programs simultaneously, each program in execution is called a process. Process based multitasking, thread based multitasking are the two types. Process based multitasking is the feature that allows your computer to run two or more programs concurrently. A process is heavyweight, whereas the thread based multitasking is the thread that is as a thread which is the smallest unit of dispatchable code, means that a single program can perform two or more tasks simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight. What is thread? Multithreading in Java is a feature that allows concurrent execution of two or more parts of a program for maximum utilization of CPU. Each part of such program is called a thread. So threads are lightweight processes within a process. A thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it does not affect other threads. It uses a shared memory area. A thread can be in one of the five states. The lifecycle of the thread in Java is controlled by Java Virtual Machine. The Java thread states are as follows: new, runnable, running, non runnable, or waiting, terminated, or dead. New. The thread is in new state if you create an instance of a thread class but before the invocation of start method. Runnable. The thread is in runnable state after invocation of start method, but the thread scheduler has not selected it to be the running thread. Running. The thread is in running state if the thread scheduler has selected it. Non-runnable or wait. This is the state when the thread is still alive but is currently not eligible to run. This is the state when a thread has to wait as there are multiple threads are running in the application. There is a need for synchronization between threads. Terminated or dead. A thread is in terminated or dead state when its run method exists, which means it finished processing or execution. The thread class defines several methods that help manage threads. Let's discuss one by one. Start. It starts the execution of the thread, and Java Virtual Machine calls the run method on the thread. Sleep. It suspends a thread for a period of time. Run, entry point for the thread. Join, wait for a thread to terminate. Is alive, determine if a thread is still running. Get priority, obtain a thread's priority. Get name, obtain a thread's name. Yield, it causes current thread on halt and other threads to execute. Get ID, it returns the ID of the thread. Other than this current thread, set priority, set name, suspend, resume, stop, destroy, interrupt, get state, and many more methods are available in thread class. Thus, we come to the end of today's class and hope to meet you in the next video lecture. Thank you.